Hello, and welcome to my QTP video tutorial where I will show you how to run a test in normal mode. In this video, I'll be answering the following two questions. First, what does it mean to run a test in normal mode? And second, how do I do it? As a reminder, to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. This moves us to our first topic, which asks the question, what does it mean to run a test in normal mode? By running a test in normal mode, the test will run straight through without you needing to tell it to move from step to step or from line to line within your script. This now moves us to the second topic, which asks the question, how do I do it? I will now flip over to QTP to show you three of the ways that you can do this. The first way I'll show you is by using the menu bar. The second way is by using the button bar. And the third way is by using a keyboard shortcut. To begin, we need to check the settings in our QTP instance to make sure that this test is set up to run in normal mode and not in fast mode. To do this, click the Tools button on the menu bar, then click the Options button. Then click the GUI Testing button, then click the Test Runs button. Then locate the section in the middle pane that starts off by saying Run Mode. You'll see two radio buttons. The first is for normal. The second is for fast. If your radio button is already selected for normal, there's nothing that you need to do. However, if your radio button is selected as fast, you need to click the radio button next to the word normal. Once you've done that, you can click the OK button. I'm now going to create a basic script so that we can run, just so I can show you what the script looks like when it runs in normal mode. For this, I'll create a for loop, and we will just loop through 3 times. And on each time, we'll have a message box display the word hello. For more information on how to use either for loops or message boxes in your script, feel free to reference some of my other videos where I go into more information on those. Now, to run your test by using the menu bar, you need to locate the Run button. Once you find that, click that button, then click the Run button. Once you do that, you'll be presented with a Run window. All you need to do is either click the Run button or hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, when I do this, you're going to see this, the Run window will go away, and the script's execution will begin. Now, without us needing to do anything, we'll automatically be shown the first message box. Then once we click through that message box, we'll then be moved to the second message box. Once we click through that, we'll then be shown the third message box. Then once we click through that, the script's execution will complete. And in normal mode, again, when we run this, we do not need to click anything or hit any keys to automatically get QTP to continue to move to the next lines of the script. As you can see, here's our first message box, the second, and the third. As you can see, the script's execution is now completed. Now, the second way that we can run the script in normal mode is to locate the Run button on the button bar, which, as you can see, looks like a play button. So you can click that. You'll again be presented with a Run window. And as before, you can either hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Run button. And as before, here's our first message box, the second, and the third. Now, the third way that you can run a test in normal mode is by using a keyboard shortcut. That keyboard shortcut is the F5 key. So once you hit that, again as before, you'll be presented with the Run window. Then you can either click the Run button or hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This is our first message box, the second, and the third. This now concludes our video where I've answered the following 2 questions. First, what does it mean to run a test in normal mode? And second, how do I do it? As a reminder, to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you, and I hope that you have a great day.